Hello and thanks for visiting Garden Cameraman. That's me. Okay, so welcome to another video. You can see here I'm just taking some footage of a bit of driving in between jobs, just so that you know I've gone to a new place. So here I'm getting the lawn boss off, preparing myself to mow this yard. It's one I do quite often, probably every 2 weeks, and it still often needs a ride on mower because it gets too long. But yeah, I always do around the outside first, as you can see, and this is in fast speed, of course. If only I could go that quick, that'd be fun. But I'd probably get a bit dizzy. But yeah, around the outside, then the middle, and just work my way right around the outside and bring all the grass to the centre. That way it doesn't all go on the garden. Some people don't mind it going on the garden, but generally it's better to keep it on the grass and shred it in there. It's better mulch. Yeah, this takes around an hour to do in real time, I would say. Probably a little bit longer. It always seems to be a bit longer than you estimate. But here, putting the lawn boss back on, I just wheel it up like a wheelbarrow and then lift the last bit and then put the rams back in. And then I'm ready to, I make sure that the sides are all secure so that I don't forget at the end if I'm tired. Now I've got the whippersnipper out and just working around all the edges, pushing all the rubbish that's up against the edges out onto the lawn, and then after that I just use the blower and blow it back in. So yeah, the grass builds up quite thick on the path, so yeah, blow it all back out onto the lawn and just tidies it up. Lucky there's such a thing as a blower. Makes it so much neater at the end. Now I'm heading to the next job. Okay, so here you can see I'm pulling out oxalis. You can see the little pink seed there of the oxalis at the bottom. It seems to get everywhere. You've got to make sure you dig deep with that one. And sorrel's a big problem around this place too. It seems to grow so quickly. Every 2 weeks I'll probably get half a bucket of sorrel out of this one garden alone. And it spreads into the lawn too, which makes the lawn look like it's growing quicker. In fact, it's sorrel. Yeah, I still use my trusty weeding tool. It's actually half a shear. And here you can see the sorrel's taken over this daisy, which is under the letterbox at the front. You can see clearly now the seeds growing up. And yeah, always pull them out from the bottom. No use of pulling them off the top. They'll only snap and regrow even quicker. I think I get about a quarter of a 40 litre bucket out of just this one area alone. But it looks much better without it. Just doing around. Just do right around, sitting on my milk crate or a seat, whatever you want. And just get right around and make sure it all looks good, and then at the end of it, just use a blower to blow all the loose bits that you might have pulled out but didn't pick up. Things like leaves and things are better when you finish to blow them out. There you go, just give it a blow. That looks good. Looks much more neat there. No sorrel in there anymore. Until next time. And now I'm just moved across to another garden. Back to where I was actually. Just moving along a bit. And there they are. Little oxalis, just always waiting to be pulled out. Now I'm off to the next place. Okay, so here we are. Next task to perform for the day. It's a reasonably large size yard for just a unit. You've got to be careful sometimes when you say you do a unit and you turn up and it's all overgrown, and it's actually, as you can see, I'm using a ride-on mower in the unit. I could have used a push mower, but you know, just more effective to use the most powerful mower you've got whenever you can actually get it through the gate. That's actually why I use this mower a lot, because I can get it through gate. And being able to get a ride-on mower through a gate is one of the main reasons why I picked this mower. In fact, I got 3 of this mower just for that reason. Okay, so I've done the ride-on mowing. Now I've gone to get my whippersnipper. So when I use a ride-on mower in a place that's got long grass, I always use the ride-on first, because I don't know if I can get right out to that outer edge. And it's hard to guess with a whippersnipper how far you'll be able to get. So you could end up spending twice as long using a whippersnipper if you do it first, because you might end up whippersnipping about a metre or 2 and really you only had to go right into the fine edge. You can see there, I think a few socks flew out on the lawn there. Windy day, so the washing's coming right down. I just left them on there and blew them back onto the path at the end, I think. Yep, there I go. There we are, another job done. Well, nearly done, now it's done. And you can see there a lot of grass clumps still on the lawn, and that was from about 8 to 12 weeks ago that I did it. I mowed down very low when the lawn was quite thick, so that was left there. Now this is actually the heads I did in a totally separate video, which was on this day, but I sped this one up 100 times just to show that I did the job on this day. But yeah, if you want to watch a more detailed account of how I did this hedge, and it's sort of almost like a step-by-step thing, you can check that out in another video which is already on YouTube uploaded. And yeah, this was my biggest job of the day, so I often save the hardest to last, and the reason is I can put my full amount of energy that I have left for the day back into the job. Now I'm just heading home, and thanks very much for watching this video.